In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Hollow Knight on keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Hollow Knight, both the original one and Silksong, can be played on any controller layout. So you can play it on a standard controller or a keyboard, whatever you prefer. So if you open the game and you don't have any controller connected on a PC, it is going to use your keyboard by default. So when you go inside of the game and you access the options, you will be able to find the controls options here at the bottom. So you will have controller and then keyboard. All that you have to do to customize your controls is to go over to the options and then choose keyboard. Now you will see the main actions. You have up, down, left, and right, jump, quick map, attack and super dash, dash, dream nail, focus cast, quick cast, and finally inventory. If you want to, you can pause the video and copy these, attacking with the left click, quick cast with the right click, dream nail with the side button on the mouse, which they refer to as button 4. You will have shift for dash, control for super dash, and then WASD for moving, F for the map, space to jump, E to focus or cast. Very usual stuff. You can leave it on default if you prefer, or you can modify these according to your own preferences. They have a button here if you just want to reset them to the default keybinds. And as soon as this is done, there's no secret. You just go inside of the game, start a new save, and the inputs are going to work. So Hollow Knight, both the original one and Silksong are fully compatible with keyboard inputs. Try it out, it is a completely viable way to play, and you will be able to change options here. Of course, if you want to try out a controller, you can also access the controller options and do the exact same thing. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.